the event is very well organized, and I have gained some hands-on experience on new emerging technologies like Rust, Solidity, Polkadot Network and Substrate frameworks.
We have started with the smart contracts and we have had some coding session, that's right, where we actually feel that we are doing some stuff.
Now I have a clear mind what to do in my Web 3.0, and I have learned many about Polkadot ecosystems, like they are offering like internships from Chingari, Unique Networks. After we finished this All-Tech Fest,
we came here to know about the blockchain, which is a new emerging technology. I got so many inputs from the experts from all over the India.
All the TikToks were very interesting, and I got to learn more about Polkadot and all other sponsors. And I'm looking forward to pick up Web3 and blockchain, and maybe I think this is my chance.
So what this event will be, aiming to build for us new people who are here to learn more about blockchain and all.
The number of opportunities this field can open up, I became super excited to learn all these things.
We are Team Virtuous, and we are pretty excited that we have won here at the Digital India All-Tech organized by IBC Media.
Very happy, thank you so much.
Ensuring that the students who pass from our engineering colleges, they understand the fundamentals of blockchain. They have done projects in blockchain. They have participated in events like a hackathon. They also develop their understanding through a very hands-on, immersive kind of an experience.
So whenever we are working with the new technology domain, just think how fast we can make benefit in the lives of last mile vulnerable classes.
Hackathon is the best way where we are able to combine things together, where we are able to bring in the academic rigor, the industry perspective and mentorship, along with industry problems. And that is what is important as part of this hackathon itself.
So this type of ideas, that innovative hackathons will allow the student to enable their creativity. They can go as a startup or an entrepreneur or to get a world-class job for them.
Enable our own people basically to come forward, learn them, and then use it for the benefit of the society and the industry.
Such kind of events actually do help us and our students to come across various developments that are taking place in the technology domain.
Let us hope for a very successful hackathon, IBC.